welcome back to another episode of this. Doing things on the Xterra again. Your in-cabin air filters. I'm pretty sure mine hasn't been done since approximately 2005. Let's get to it. So these come in a pack of 2, and you do use both of them. Keep in mind there is a direction on the airflow, and general consensus is the airflow goes down. May not matter which way. It says airflow down, so we'll go down. So first thing we need to do is open this up. And yeah, I'm one of those that keep the drive-through napkins in the glove box. You'll need to press on the outside to get those little pivot pegs to clear, and some are easier than others. Mine's kind of a pain. So one moment, please. And a little bit of force without totally breaking it. And the whole thing comes down. Not too terrible. So this is where we're headed. We need to get this whole cover off. And some of you may have a screw in the upper left. Obviously I do not. And this little clip right there, I need to press up on mine. Some people mention that theirs needs to go down. But either way, you just need to work on that. And this whole thing, actually I lied. Mine goes up. And this thing comes off. There's the cover. You can see it's not looking very clean. So, yeah, nice. Not as bad as I was expecting, but so now that you got the first one out, you need to slide that second one to the left. Sorry, I know you can see that very well. Oh, nice. Yeah, that is a nice mess. Holy smokes. Yeah. Nice, huh? So yeah, let's put the new ones in. These super special ones, the airflow happens to go down on the lighter color. And off to the right. And we'll get the other one in. And if it doesn't go, just force it. Kidding. But there they are. Need to put that cover back on. And we're done. Now I won't be breathing bird's nest, and we don't really have rats here, but I don't know what else is in that. So we'll pop this glove box back in and we're good. All right, get this glove box popped back in there. And we're done. And no more of this nastiness. So yeah, that's it. Took less than 5 minutes. Really not bad. Hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.